Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel, and I'm always here to share my tips and tricks. I'm Brijesh Kumar, and having more than 18 years of experience in 3D animation and VFX. This is my robot modeling playlist. So I would highly recommend you can go and check my playlist. For the other parts of the model. So this is my torso modeling tutorials, and if you want, you can check my playlist to get more other tutorials like head and hand and other parts of the geometry. So for the torso, I'm just taking a simple cube. As you can see, it's just a simple box, and I have deleted the half of the geometry, so I can just duplicate after completing the half. So as you can see, I have started with the very low polygons, very low segments. An advantage of working with the very low polygons, that will help you to manipulate your object in a very easy way and very quick way without missing your objects. I don't suggest anyone to go with a very high poly. You can start with a very low polygon, and gradually you can add extra segments as per your requirements. So now I did one smooth, and after adding this smooth, now you can see there is a few other segments is created. And after that, I'm just aligning this vertex according to my reference. So if you can see, I know I'm just scaling the vertices according to the shape of the geometry, and using the smooth tool. So if you can press B, the shortcut key, to smoothing tool gets enabled, and you can easily manipulate your objects. So I'm frequently working on the front viewport and side viewport as well, because you will get a judgment if you're working with the two viewport. So suppose if you're working only in one viewport, and suddenly you come to know that other viewport mesh gets messed up. So it's always preferred to work on the two different viewports. So now my the basic layout is done. So now I'm start working on the neck part. So I'm just adjusting some of the vertex to just give some round look. And now if you can see, I'm working with the perspective in front and side as well. I'm just adjusting the vertex and just giving the, according to the anatomy, like how the shoulder is going to look, how the deltoid muscle is going to look, and accordingly I'm placing the vertex. So now I'm selecting all the vertices, and I'm just extruding it to just give the neck look. So I'm just rotating the vertex right now because it has round shape. And now if you can see, this front view is not perfect, so I'm just managing the vertex, and placing according to the outline of the reference. So yeah, keep supporting me, guys. I'm not working very hard to make this tutorial. I'm sharing my experience, so keep supporting me, and subscribe my channel as well. So now let's move ahead. I'm changing the pivot point of the this edge to rotate from the specific certain location. And now if you can see, I'm slowly but gradually I'm making the shape of the neck. Yeah, still I can say that my object is very low polygons. And the same, I would suggest you people also to make it in very low polygons, and later on you can add more and more segments. And now I'm just playing with this vertex and making sure that it should be exactly the same placement according to my reference images. And now if you can see, I'm just playing with some other things. I'm trying to make it I'm trying to make placing my vertex exactly where this reference should be. And I'm adding more segments just to make sure that it has a proper curve. So if you can see, this back area needs a bit more segments because it has more curve on that. So now I'm adding extra more segments just to make sure it has a proper curvature on that part. And now from the front viewport and side viewport, I'm just trying to adjust the vertex. I mean, yeah, it's sometimes it's very difficult, but I would suggest you can just do the practice as much as you can, so you will get the more used to with these tools. So now, if you can see, I just did the mirror, and simply aligning this properly. So this is the torso. If you can see, this is coming quite good though. I'm just giving a more depth on that, and let me reverse this normals, and where it is, yeah. So after reversing these things, now if you can see, my objects can be seen in this gray things. So once you're done with this, I'm just adding more segments and just to the curve area to get more sharp look, because this is a robot, not this creature or any human character. So yeah, just keep practicing, guys, and please support my channel, and subscribe my channel, and hit the notification bell icon as well. And keep posting all these small tutorials